Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add the contact information to the lock screen in this device. Simply go to settings, scroll down, tap on the option lock screen and AOD. So here you can see the option contact information. Tap on this one. So here we can enter our information. So here you can see what the contact information means. Show information such as your phone number or email address or the lock screen on the lock screen. So you can be contacted if you lose your phone. So simply here I am going to enter some numbers. Okay, like this way you can enter your email address or your permanent address also you can enter here. Tap on done. Now go to the lock screen. Here you can see that number you can see here. So simply in this way you can add the contact info to the screen lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.